So if you saw the repair video, if we're anywhere near, that's a bit low, isn't it? We're already plugged into the extension speaker, knob missing, but the set's spot on apart from that. Fidelity 2001 uses the Cybernet 002F chassis made in Japan, and see Mr. Chippie's out there. Tango 21 test.
Tango 21 working.
Roger on that. I'll plug my extension speaker in.
Roger that.
I don't know why I'm telling you that because I've just already plugged it in. Probably about as good as we're going to get. I'm ready now.
Roger that, off we go.
Roger Dodger.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that, and on this radio we've got a tone control.
Yep, roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it, passing the parking place and doggy daycare, which is currently in use.
Roger on that. Oh, fine business. Got a dimmer, does the display only.
Right, we're at the end of the lane.
Roger on that, got you at the end of the lane.
Roger. Roger on that. Oh, fine business. Roger.
Service station 130.9 and 132.9 and 140.9.
About cheapest around, I reckon.
Yeah, well, it's as good as some of the supermarkets, so there you go.
Roger, roger.
Right, we're almost square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
But not quite.
Negatory. Passing the top of the hill, let's go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over. Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford.
On the Fidelity 2001. Using a 441 output, made in 1981, uses the Cybernet 002F chassis, and now using a standard replacement mic over.
Yep, roger that, all received, no problems.
Roger, Dodger. Was roadworthy still at the time?
No, they're gone. Not that they were there yesterday anyway.
Roger, it might be alright for the bride then.
Roger that. Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger, you're going over Wilford Level Crossing. Passing the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn even, not the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you the 5 mile point. So I'm on this Fidelity 2001, doing full 4 watt output, drawing 1.27 amp with standard replacement mic. Going to go over to low power, which is 380 milliwatts on this radio. If you can find the switch, science 4321. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yeah, roger that, no problems on full power. Low power had to override the squelch and you were not readable very well at all.
Roger on that, okay, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger, got you on the move again, and I'm on the factory original mic, over.
Yeah, not a lot in it, to be honest, very similar.
Right, we'll carry on with this one. Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby. That end today, please, over.
Yep, 136.9 and 142.7.
Roger on that. Well, that works fine. So thank you for that.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. 21 from Mr. Chippie.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price at that end today, please, over? Roger on that. Well, that worked fine. So thank you for that. 10-10. Not helping with more trees on the leaves on the trees. More trees on the leaves, I nearly said there. So there we go, 0.37 microvolts that set. Right, we'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on this factory original mic, and then we'll go over to the new one.